In this exercise, we are analyzing an asphalt concrete placement using asphalt trucks and a paver. We know the production rate of the asphalt plant, the asphalt mat cross-section dimensions, and the required asphalt density. In part A, we need to find the number of trucks to use to match the production plant if we know the capacity of each truck and its total cycle time. We need first to calculate the productivity of a single truck by dividing its capacity over the hauling cycle time. We can then calculate the number of trucks to match the hauling rate, to make the hauling rate match the plant production rate. We find we need 15 trucks. In part B, we need to calculate the paver speed to have the asphalt placement rate match the asphalt hauling and production. As we discussed in the lesson video, we need to calculate the weight of 1 foot stretch of the pavement using the simple formula of volume times density. We just need to first calculate the volume in square yard inch units to match it with the density units. Then we calculate the WFT value to be 0.15 ton per foot of the road. The second step is to calculate the paver speed by dividing the plant production PP over the WFT value. As such, we find the speed of the paver to be 2160 feet per hour or 0.4 mile per hour.